Yeah, I did a quick sesh at Los Vaqueros on Saturday. Fished maybe an hour and a half or maybe 2 hours. Just working the bank. I think I worked left of the marina all the way to Cowboy Cove and kind of my way back. I was able to hook into two trout, man. Two trout off the Berkeley powered atomic tube. I think that's what they call that. Grasshopper color. I didn't get any bites. I threw the Castmaster, a couple of spoons, threw a different colored mini jig. I didn't get any bites. That's the only thing that got bites off. So overall, it wasn't too bad. I got two fish. One was like 15, 16. The other one might have been a little over 3. I said 3.5, 4, but probably, I don't know. I don't have a scale, so I think it was over 3 pounds. But yeah, man, I didn't get skunked, and two fish, better than nothing, man. So I hope you like the vid, and I will catch you next time. Later. Nice trout, huh? Got my trout, first trout, Los Vaqueros. Fighter, man. Quick pick. You don't want a picture, huh? You get off if you want, bro. I got you already. It's all good. Let's go. Boom. Boom. Alright, gotcha. Alright, come on. Here you go, buddy. There you go. There you go. Oh. What? You're still stuck? You got re-caught. Not bad. There you go. There you go, buddy. Woo. Holy shit. You guys want one to take home? Huh? No, I'm gonna let him go. All right, right here, bro. They're hitting the Berkeley jig. The Berkeley Grasshopper. I got 2 already on that one. Ah, shit. Ooh, nice one. I don't know how big it is, but it's a nice one.
three and a half, 4 pounder. Oh, there you go, baby. Catching keepers.